Sometimes we want basic makeup, like makeup that just simply takes us from this to this. Hello everyone, if you're wondering who this beautiful young lady is, my name is Nene Foloncho, and today I'm going to be showing you my makeup routine, my skincare routine, and how I wrap up my messy hair. Let's be honest, it's really the facial reconstruction, the contouring, highlighting, the chiseling. Sometimes it can be so tiring and you just want something basic that just gets you out the door, right? So that's what this video is about today. But first of all, let us check out my skincare routine. I believe that the foundation of good makeup is great skin or good skin. Now my skin is not all that great, I must confess, but I am trying. And then I was gifted this new product that inspired me to be more consistent with my skincare routine. Let's check out my ninth skincare routine. First of all, I use my scrub and then I wash. And now I'm going to be honest, I don't do this every day. I do this like once a week. So my charcoal mask has dried up now. I'm going to rinse it out. The product I'm using now, I've been using it for a while. I use it for a couple of days actually, for over a week. And I wanted to see how it feels on my face before making this video. I was gifted this product from Yeouth and it's called the hyaluronic acid plus, and it's best to use this on your face when your face is damp. Helps to, it tightens your skin, diminishes dark spots. I'm going to add the link to their website in the description box, and you can also get it on Amazon as well. But thank you so much, Yeouth, for this product. I have been loving it, so I hope you guys check it out. It is really good. Size, but I love the feel, I love the texture, I love how it feels on my face. I use my moisturizer. And that's it for the night. I'm ready to go to bed. Like I said, I think sometimes we just need to do basic makeup, right? Like nothing too serious, no chiseling of the face, no contouring, just something really basic that gets you out the door. And that's what I'm going to show you today, because most of the time I really do not have time to just sit down and just do bish makeup. Like, it's tiring. To use your primer, and then I get my brows done. So use short strokes. Line the bottom and short strokes to line the top. Now if you like your brows bigger, then I mean that's your choice. So you just fill the middle using short strokes, light short strokes. If you like to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section, because I actually asked on Instagram if people wanted to see my skincare routine or my makeup routine, and the results were, it was 50-50. It was actually a tie, and I'm like, okay, you know what, let's just merge it together. Like, let's just merge it and do both in one video. So I just do this and just wipe, brush the middle. I would define the brows. The fact that it's basic doesn't mean that my brows should not pop. I'm sorry, my brows gotta pop. Because it's basic, right? We're going to use one color all over the eyes. Yeah, I'll do that one. And then I just use a fluffy brush. For the brows, I would do and then blend it in. I'm going to line the top and the bottom of my eyes. Put a disclaimer out there that this makeup is not meant to look perfect, because I think I just messed it up. So I use a beauty blender, and I make sure that my beauty blender is damp before doing applying my foundation. I'm going to use a small mirror to look at what I am doing, because at this point I don't think what I'm doing is making sense. Okay. I apply my powder. To show you how I hide my messy hair. Can you see my hair is a mess? Like I haven't retwisted in a while, so I have to hide this. This is a mess. Fold it into two. Put my hair like this. So do this. Cross like that, and you take it around, and then you start twisting. And then the other one, bring it over this one, and then you start twisting. Now you tuck it in here, and then this one, tuck it in there. One, I like to leave it like this so that it gives me some, so my hair can show. Let me know if you like videos like this, if you want to see how I retwist my locks, how I wrap my hair. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to click the like button, share, subscribe, and let me know the kind of content you want to see on my channel. I really appreciate you guys so much for taking the time out to watch my videos. Until my next video,